YouTube. If you're watching Exquisite, it may be sure to like and subscribe, and remember to hit that bell. Today, woke up this morning, headed out on the road. Got a bag packed, as you can see. I need to put it in the bag anyway. On the road right now, and headed to do a Super King Air, and got about a 3.5 hour drive. On this King Air, going to be doing a normal detail on it, giving it a nice polish and also a wax. Stay tuned, be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell for new videos just like this. And if you're interested in getting your aircraft detailed and you are in Florida, Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, or Tennessee, please contact us at exquisitemad.com or 1-800-292-2341. That's 800-292-2341. So this is where I am, and as you can see, been working all day, and turned out absolutely awesome, y'all. So come on and walk with me. I'm gonna show y'all this beauty that's behind me. It's absolutely beautiful, and the lighting in here is just impeccable. And the job that was done, of course, it looks exquisite, and looks beautiful. So I'm about to show you right now what I've accomplished today. So it's pretty awesome. So gonna let y'all see.